Alrighty, YouTube, what is up? It's been a while since I've done a video, I know. The last one wasn't so great because I didn't have my camera settings set correctly and the exposure was all wrong, which I do apologize about that. What I did want to show you today was something I just got back from the bike shop, and that is this guy right here. It's a mid-drive Bafang BBSO2 electric assist with throttle, and this thing is an absolute beast, let me tell you. This battery here, it's a 24 amp hour battery. If you guys remember from the first build I did on this one, I had two SLA 12 amp hour batteries tied together, and they weighed probably almost 3 times as this guy does. And the new systems now are absolutely insane what they can do. Anyway, I'll show you the back. Here, you guys have seen all this stuff back here. All this is actually going to come out. I'm going to take this rack out here, and I mean, since I'm not using it anymore, I'm gonna come down here and remove this trailer hitch down here, and I'm gonna get a welder guy I know to build me another hitch mount for this, which I did forget to take this other battery strap off, which I need to do that. Anyway, these lights here aren't hooked up, nor this one. I don't have my 12 volt hooked back up, so instead I got these guys here, which are pretty good. I do have these headlights are on the electrical system, which they run down a cable right here, which is plugged into the battery right here, and you can see it. It's, yeah, right there, sorry. And it's tied in right there. And this battery has XT90 connectors on them, just so you know. And also, I think this is up to the throttle, and this is down to the controller. The nice thing is, too, on these batteries is the charging port is actually on the battery itself, so I don't have to worry about unplugging anything and doing that. I can take this thing inside and charge it directly. It's got an off-on switch right here, and here's the port. It's an XLR port, or XLR connector right there. And then down here, one of my favorite options is a USB port. This is a 2.1 amp USB plug, and it's not very fast, but it'll do for like cell phones and speakers, and you know, if you want to hook anything else up to it. You could run a hub up to it, but I'd be careful of how much, you know, you put in there. There's also a USB port down here. Get you up in there so you can see it. I think that's so you can do like firmware changes and all that good stuff, and you can also edit the settings in here, which is another really cool feature. Alright, so we're back, and I've got it on 0 right now, and I did move the camera down. Move it down just, yeah, I think that's okay. I think that'll be alright. So I did, so we're at 0, and I'm going to start it on 3. And I'm just going to pedal. You might see me move the throttle at all, and this thing's gonna, I mean, take off. So here we go. Yeah, I mean, look at this. And eventually we're gonna get down here and we're gonna open this thing up. And right now I'm only pedaling. We're at 10. We'll go ahead and take her up to 4, next level. There it goes. On your left. So I'm still pedaling about the same. We're going a little bit faster. Let's take her up a few notches. There we go. I can change the gears too, which is all manual in the back, and the motor is kind of keeping up with the gears. So depending on what gear you're in, is depending on that, or is depending on how much, depending on what gear you're in, tells the motor how much torque to put on. See? And I didn't even change it. I'm so used to backpedaling. Throttle. All right. Hey. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah. I know that guy. So, see? I'm in the loosest gear, and the motor's got more torque on it. Actually, less torque, I'm sorry. See, it just slowed down. So the tighter the gears, the faster it goes. It's going to give more torque on the motor. So, shall we take it up a notch? I think so. And see, I'm not even using the throttle. And we're doing 20. and I'm pedaling comfortably. All right. I think we're on 9. Yeah, we're on 9. So here we go. All pedaling. Look at this. All pedaling on the tightest gear. Look at my speeds. 22, 23, and if you want, you can always stop pedaling, or you can actually hit the throttle and then stop pedaling and the motor will still go. Check this out. See? Smooth. Whew. Get tired after a while. Alright. So that's it. That's my review of my new Bafang e-bike kit. I just got put on this thing, and you know, it is awesome. There's a Facebook group, and I've gotten a lot of help from there about stuff on how to program it, you know, to set things up how I like. I might change some of the torque on the pedaling and that, and you know, might make some fine adjustments on it. Other than that though, this thing runs really good. There is some squeaking going on down here, which I'm not sure what it is. You probably heard that in the video while I was riding. And again, the lights I'm gonna take off and get brand new ones that are better. Gonna go with a single 1800 lumen light and then a single tail light that's all integrated, and then my turn signals are battery and USB charging. So, and with that, thanks for watching, you guys, and we will see you on the next video, whenever that may be. So take care, God bless, and see you next time.